Today we are going to start the topic HCF and LCM. HCF mean highest common factor. Means if you are given two or more than two numbers, you have first of all to find the factors, then common factors, then highest among those common factors, that is called HCF. For example, if I have 12 and 24. First of all, I will write factors of 12. I know 1, 2, 3. As 1 divides 12, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12, and last is 12. These are factors of 12. Next is 24. Now I have to write the factors of 24. 1, 2, 3, 4. All these are factors of 24. Then 6, 8, 12, and 24. All these are factors of 24. Now, see what is the common factor. What the factor which divides 12 and 24 both. 1 is common, 2 is common, next 3 is common, next 4 is common, next 6 is common, and last 12 is common. Now see which is the highest among these common factors. 12 is highest, so 12 is called HCF. Here 12 is HCF. Now see one more example. If I want to find HCF of 6, say 6, 12, and 18. Now you have to find that number which divides these three numbers. As 6 divides 6, when we divide 6 with 6, we get 1. When we divide 12 with 6, we get 2. When we divide 18 with 6, we get 3. So 6 is the HCF of 6, 12, and 18, as 6 divides all these three numbers. So 6 is HCF over here, as every number is divisible by 6. See one more example. If I want to find HCF of say, now numbers are 8, 20, 28, 44. 8, 20, 28, and 44. I want to find HCF of these four numbers. Now see, start from least number, 8. Now all four numbers are not divisible by 8. All four numbers are not divisible by 8. So 8 is not HCF. Next step, next tips and tricks for finding HCF of these numbers is write down factors of 8. 4, 2, 1. We check 8, but 8 didn't divide all these four numbers. Now I check 4. If I divide 8 with 4, I will get 2. If I divide 20 with 4, I will get 5. If I divide 28 with 4, I will get 7. If I divide 44 with 4, I will get 11. So 4 would be HCF of these four numbers. Therefore, HCF in this case is 4. So 4 is answer. Now, taking one more example, if I want to find HCF of say 30, 42, and 135. 30, 42, and 135. Now see 30. 42 is not divisible by 30, so 30 will not be HCF. Next step is write down factors of 30. 15. See 15. 15 does 42 is not divisible by 50. So 15 will also 15 is also not HCF of these three number 15. Now moving towards next factor of 36. Now check, is 6 divides all these three number? Not, as 135 is not divisible by 6. So rejecting 6 also. Now moving towards next factor of 5, factor of 35. But 42 is not divisible by 5. So rejecting 5 also. Now moving towards next factor of 30. It is 3. If I divide 30 with 3, yes. Can 3 divides 42? Yes. Can 3 divides 135? Yes. Therefore, HCF of these three numbers is 3. This is one of the method to find HCF, as 3 divides all these numbers. So 3 is HCF. Now moving towards one more example. Suppose I want to find HCF of numbers are 42, 54 and 36. I want to find the HCF of these three numbers. Now I will tell you one more method to find HCF. First of all, divide it with 2. 2 to the 4, 2 1 the 2. Here 2 to the 4, 2 7 the 14. 2 1 the and 2 8 the. So now dividing it with 3, as 3 can divide all these three numbers. 3 7 the, 3 9 the and 3 6 the. Now there is no number which can divide all these three numbers. There is no number which can divide all these three numbers. So stop over here. Stop over here and simply multiply elements over left hand side, and you will get HCF as 2 into 3 equals to 6. This is another method to find HCF. If I want to find LCM of the same sum, if I want to find LCM, in case of LCM, you have to continue this process till you get 1 1 1 at the last. But in case of HCF, stop there when you didn't find any number which can divide all these numbers. So HCF will be 6 over here. Now there are some important shortcut formulas to find HCF and LCM. First is product of two numbers equals to HCF into LCF, means HCF of those two numbers and LCM of those two numbers, means product of two numbers is always equals to HCF into LCM. Second is two numbers are said to be co-prime, if their HCF is 1. If their HCF is 1, then we say numbers will be co-prime. Next is, if we want to find HCF and LCM of fraction. HCF of fraction. In case of HCF, you have to remain HCF in the numerator. If I want to find HCF, find HCF of numerators divided by LCM of denominators. HCF of numerators and then LCM of denominator. Next, if I want to find LCM of fractions, then formula will be LCM of numerators divided by HCF of denominators. HCF of denominators. I will explain you these concepts with an example. Suppose I want to find HCF and LCM of fraction. See how. First example is find HCF of 2 by 3, 8 by 9, 16 by 8, and 10 by 27. These are fractions and I want to find HCF of these fractions. I know the formula. HCF means I want to find HCF of numerator. In 2 by 3, 2 is numerator, 3 is denominator. In 8 by 9, 8 is numerator, 9 is denominator. In this fraction, 16 is numerator, 8 is denominator. And in this, 10 is numerator and 27 is denominator. So I have to find the HCF of 2, 8, 16 and 10 divided by LCM of denominators means 3, 9, 8 and 27. Now how I can find HCF? For HCF 2, 8, 16 and 10. Simply divide it with 2, 1, 4, 2, 8 is 16, 2, 5 is. So there is no number which can divide all these numbers. So HCF is 2. Here it is 2. Now I want to find LCM of 3, 9, 8 and 27. See how. First of all, divide 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. Now 8 is not a multiple of 3. So write 8 as it is. 3 9s are 27. Again with 3, write 1 as it is, as 1 is not divisible by 3. 3 1s are 3. 8 again as it is, and 3 3s are 9. So LCM will be 3 into 3 into 8 and into 3. This will be your answer. Simply find HCF and LCM. I hope it is clear to all of you. Now what is LCM? LCM means least common multiples. Means you have to write down multiples of the numbers and then you have to find the common multiples and then you have to find the least of those common multiples. For example, I have 2 and 3. Write down multiples of 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14. Write down multiples of 3, 3, 6, 9, and so on. Now observe carefully what are common multiples. Next step is to find the common multiples. First is 6 common, next 12, and we want least. Clearly 6 is least among these common multiples, therefore LCM will be 6. This is behind the concept LCM. You can find HCF by simply observation. See how. If I want to find HCF of 18, 24 and 30. Now all three numbers are divisible by 2, 3, 6. Highest factor is 6. So by observation, 6 is HCF. Suppose I want to find HCF of 24, 36 and 48. So by observation, 12 can divide all these three numbers. So 12 would be HCF. You can also find LCM by some trick. See how. If I want to find LCM of 12, 36, 72 and 144. In case of LCM, you can see 12 can divide 36, 72, 144. So leave it. Now 36 can divide 72, 144. So leave it. 72 can divide 144. So leave it. So 144 will be the LCM. One more example. If I want to find LCM of 24, 36 and 72. Here 24 can divide 36. Can 24 divide 36? No. Can 24 divide 72? Yes. If 24 divides 72, you can leave 24. Now, can 36 divide 72? Yes. So leave it. So LCM will be 72. See one more example. 24, 36 and 48. Here 24 can divide 40. 24 can divide 48, so leave it. Can 36 divide 48? No. So next step is to find the LCM of 36 and 48. One is long division method, which I told you previously. Next smart approach is multiply 48 with 2. What you will get? 96. Can 36 divide 96? No. Now multiply 48 with 3. What you will get? 144. Can 36 divide 144? Yes. So LCM would be 144. 144 is answer in this case. Now see HCF and LCM in case of fractions. Suppose we want to find LCM of 36 by 2 to 5, 48 by 150, 72 by 65. I want to find LCM. I know LCM of fractions. What would be LCM of numerators divided by HCF of denominators? So LCM of numerators 36, 48, 72 divided by HCF of 225, 150 and 65. Now LCM of 36, 48 and 72. Now can 36 divide 72? Yes. Or you can find it by long method. 36 can divide 72. Now you have to find LCM of 48 and 72. I can find it with help of long method. 36, 48 and 72. First of all, divide it with 2. 2 ones are 2 eights are. 2 twos are 2 fours are. 2 threes, 2 six are. Now with 2. 2 nines are. 2 12s are. 2 18s are. Then with 3. 3 threes are. 3 fours are. And 3 6 are. Now with 3. 3 ones are. 4 as it is. 3 twos are. On multiplying 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 4 into 2, you will get it would be 144. Answer will be, answer of this LCM will be 144. So here it is 144. Now HCF. HCF of 2 to 5. See how we can find it. 2 to 5, 150 and 65. Divide it with 5. 5 4s are, 5 5s are, 5 3s are, 0s are, 5 1s are, and 5 3s are. Now, again, here HCF is 5, as there is no number which can divide all these numbers. So HCF is 5. So answer will be 144 by 5. This is your answer. See one more example. Find HCF of, I want to find HCF of 36 by 75, 48 by 150, 72 by 135. I know HCF of fraction will be HCF of numerator divided by LCM of denominator. So I have to find HCF of 36, 48, 72 and LCM of 75, 150 and 135. Now HCF of above numbers. We will find it. See how? 36, 48 and 72. I can divide it with 6, 6 6 6 8 and 12. Then with 2, 2 3 2 4 2 6. Now there is no number which can divide all these three numbers. So HCF will be 6 into 2. It is 12. Now see LCM. 75, 150 and 135. First of all, divide it with 5. 5 1s are, 5 5s are, 5 5 2s are, 5 7s are. Now divide it with 3. 3 5s are, 3 10s are, and 3 9s are. Now with 5 5 1s are, 5 2s are, and 3s are. Now multiply 5 into 3 into 5 into 2 into 3. What you will get? 4350. 4350. This would be answer. Now next, moving towards next question. Now next question is, what greatest number divides 17, 42, 93 and leaves remainder 4, 3, 15 respectively? I will tell you some clues. When you have to find greatest number, greatest you hear in highest common factor or greatest common divisor GCD. So you have to find HCF in greatest word quotient. If you want to find least number, least you hear in the word LCM, least common multiple. So you have to find LCM over there. If you find total number, like a total number of marbles, total number of bricks, in that type of question, again you have to find the LCM. You have to remember these key words. Now what he says in this question, what greatest number divides? Let the greatest number be X. He says when you divide 17 with X, remainder will be 4. When you divide 42 with X, remainder is 3. When you divide 93 with X, remainder is 15. Remember one keyword, if remainders are different, remove remainders from the number and then find HCF. If remainders are different, you have to remove the remainders, means you have to find the exactly divisible numbers and you have to find the HCF of those exactly divisible numbers. See, when we divide 17 with X, remainder is 7, 4. When I remove remainder 4 from 17, a number will be 13. When I remove remainder 3 from 42, when I remove 3 from the 42, 42 minus 3, it will be 39. When I remove remainder 15 from 93, then it will be 78. Means all these three numbers gives you remainder 0. Here after removing remainders from the numbers, you will get these numbers, and when you divide 13 with x, remainder 0. When you divide 39 with x, remainder will be 0. When you divide 78 with x, remainder will be 0. Now next step is to find HCF of 13, 39 and 78. Now HCF of 13, 39 and 70 by observation clearly 13 divides all these three numbers. Therefore, HCF is 13. Therefore, highest means greatest number is 13. You can check when you divide 17 with 13. Check, remainder is 3. When you divide 42 with 13, remainder is 3. As 13 into 3 is 39, remainder is 3. 13 ones are 13, remainder is 4. When you divide 93 with 13, when you divide 93 with 13, 13 into 6, 78. 13 into 6, 78, and remainder will be 15. Now when you divide 13 with 13, remainder is 0. When you divide 39 with 13, remainder is 0. When you divide 78 with 13, remainder is 0. So our answer is correct. Required greatest number is 13. I hope it is clear to all of you. Moving towards next question, what least number when divided by 36, 24, 16 leaves 11 as remainder in each case? We have to find least. Least means we have to find LCM. And here remainder is same. You have to remember this clue. If remainder is same in each case, first of all find LCM, and at the end subtract, at the end add that remainder in the LCM, and you will get the answer. So on finding LCM of 36, 24, 16, 2 ones are 2 eights are 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 eights are. Next with 2 nines are 2 sixes are 2 fours are. Next with 2 9 as it is, 2 threes are 2 twos are. Then with 3 threes are 3 ones are and twos are. Now stop moving further, simply multiply all these. You will get LCM of 36, 24 and 16 as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 2. On multiplication, you will get LCM as 144. Now 144 plus same remainder. Remainder is 11. 4 plus 1, 5. 4 plus 1, 5. Answer is 155. We can check whether our answer is correct or not. What least number when divided by 36? Means when we divide 144 with 36, rather divide 155. When you divide 155 with 36, then 155 with 24, 155 with 16. You can check remainder is 11 in each case. Remainder is 11 in each case. But when we divide 144 with 36, remainder is 11. Remainder is 0. When we divide 144 with 24, remainder would be 0. 144 with 16, remainder would be 0. But actually I want remainder 11. So I have to add 11 at the end in the LCM. So our answer is correct. I hope it is clear to all of you. Next concept is what least number when divided by 20, 48, 36 leaves the remainder 13, 41, 29 respectively. Least means you have to find the LCM. Least means you have to find the LCM. Let the least number be x, means if you divide x with 29, here it is 29. Sorry, here in the statement it is, sorry, here it is 20. When you divide x with 20, remainder is 13. He is saying when you divide x with 48, remainder is 41. When you divide x with 36, remainder is 29. Clearly observing the difference of 20 and 13 is 7. Difference of 48 and 41 is 7. Difference of 36 and 29 is 7. Means if difference is same in all the three cases, subtract difference from LCM. Means first of all find LCM as it is, and at the last subtract this difference from that LCM. Now first step is to find LCM of 20, 48 and 36. First of all divide it with 2, 10, 24, 2 ones are 2 eights are. Then with 2, 2 fives are 12, then 9. Then with 3, 5 as it is, 3 fours are 3, 3, 3, 3s are 9. On multiplying 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 4 into 3, you will get LCM as 720. But you have to subtract the difference from the LCM. Subtract difference from LCM means 720 minus difference is 7. You will get 10 minus 7, 3, 1. Answer is 713. Your answer is 713. Now see next question. What leaves positive 4-digit number when divided by 12, 16, 18, 20 leaves 21 as remainder? You have to remember this keyword. When now least, for least we have to find LCM, and when remainder is same, you have to use this concept LCM plus remainder always. First of all find LCM as it is, and then add that single remainder at the end. If remainder is single and same, means 21, these always leaves remainder 21. So first of all find LCM 12, 16, 18 and 20. Find 2, 6 are 12, 2, 8 are 16, 2, 9 are 18, 2, 10 are. Then with 2, 3, 4, 9 as it is, 2 5s are. Then with 3, 3 1s are, 4 as it is, 3 3s are, and 5 as it is. Now on multiply 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 3, 12, into 4 into 3. You will get LCM as 720. 720. But remember one thing, before adding the remainder, number should be 4-digit, positive 4-digit number, but it is 3-digit number. You have to make it 4-digit number before adding the remainder. So if 720 is LCM of these these 4 numbers, so multiple of 720 is also a multiple of these 4 numbers. If 720 is the multiple of 12, 16, 18 and 20, then multiple of 720 will also be multiple of 12, 16, 18 and 20. Now if I multiply 720 with 2, what I will get? 2 into 0, 2 2 are 4, 2 7s are 14. Now here see, this is 4-digit, positive 4-digit number. As he said least, so I can't multiply it with 3, it is least. Now for answer, you have to add this Remainder is 21. Add 21. So you will get 0 plus 1. 1, 4 plus 2, 6, then 4 and 1. So 1461 is the required 4-digit number. The next question, ratio of two numbers is 5:6. If numbers are in the ratio, you have to let numbers be 5k and 6k, or 5x or 6x, where k is any constant. When you divide the common number k, its ratio will be 5:6. And in this case, as k is common factor and it is highest, so when you take its HCF, k will be its HCF. As on dividing with k, you are left with 5 and 6, and 5 and 6 are co-prime numbers, so k will be HCF. You have numbers and you have LCM as 480. Now I told you the concept. HCF into LCM equals to product of numbers. So HCF is here, HCF is k, LCM is 480, product of numbers 5k into 6k. K will be cancelled out with k, and you will get 5 into 6. 5 into 6, 30. 30k equals to 480. So k will be 0, cancel out with 0. 16 into 3, 48. So k is 16. So HCF is 16. HCF is 16, and we have to find the HCF. Find the largest number which divides 16, 32, 16, 132, 237 to leave the same remainder in each case. Here remainder is same, but it is not given to you. And largest means HCF. You have to remember the keyword here or concept here. You have to find the HCF of second number minus first number, then second minus first, or third minus second, or HCF of, you can take second minus first, second number minus first number, or third number minus first number. You can take difference of any two numbers with ignoring negative signs. Suppose if you subtract 16 minus 237, you have to ignore the minus sign over there. Now you have to subtract any two numbers. Suppose second number minus first, 132 minus 132. Here it is 62. Here it is not 16. Here it is 62. 132 minus 62, and then 237 minus 132. You have to find HCF of these. You will get HCF of, on subtracting 70 and 105. You can check, HCF will come out to be 35. So answer is 35. Similar question, find largest number which divides 47, 35, 27 to leave same remainder, but remainder is not given to you. And in this case, you have to find the common remainder also. Same formula, HCF of difference of any two terms. So you can take 47 minus 35, 35 minus 27, 27 minus 47 with ignoring negative sign. Now you can take HCF of any two numbers. HCF of any two number. You will see 4 divides both these numbers. So 4 is the HCF. So the largest number 4. You can check when you divide 47 with 4 and 35 with 4 and 27 with 4. Oh, when you divide 47 with 4, remainder is 3. When you divide 35 with 4, remainder is 3. When you divide 27 with 4, remainder is 3. So the common remainder will be 3 in this case. Next question is HCF and LCM of two numbers is 8, means HCF is 8 and LCM is 96. Sum of those numbers means if numbers are suppose A and B, then A plus B is 56. Find sum of their reciprocals. Given, what is given to you? HCF 8, LCM 96, A plus B 56, and what you have to find? Sum of their reciprocals. Now on reciprocating A and B, you will get 1 over A, 1 over B, and you have to find the sum on taking LCM A into B. A is present over here, so you will get B. B is already present, so you will get A over here. Now what is the form of value of A plus B given to you? It is 56. Now product of numbers. I know product of two numbers equals to HCF into LCM, as product of two numbers is not given to you, but HCF and LCM is given to you. So I can write instead of product of number HCF into LCM means 8 into 96. On simplification, you will get 8 into 7, 7 upon 96. This will be your answer. There are three equilateral triangles with sides 114, 76 and 152 centimeters. What maximum size scale can measure them exactly? You have to remember this keyword. Whenever it is asked in question, maximum size scale can measure them exactly. Always you have to find the HCF. And when you find HCF of 114, 76, 152, you will get 38 centimeter as answer.